That's right now. We got Rumble chat here. Oh, that goes here. Okay. YouTube chat goes up here. Alright, now we're ready. Alright, starting now. Alright, anybody here? No? Apparently not. What the fuck, guys? Get in here. Holy shit, somebody liked my post on X? That never happens. Yeah, it doesn't translate into anything over here either. Anybody else on? Squishy's on with 2 viewers on Rumble. Let me just refresh and check again. He's got 4 or 5 viewers now. Alright, anyway, dueling dev streams. That's a good way to do it though. People can just kind of drift in here, drift over there. If anyone else is, I don't know if anyone else is doing this during the daytime on Rumble or anywhere else for that matter. But hey, whatever. It is what it is. I hope I don't run out of disk space today. 24 gigs free. Well, yeah, that's enough. That'll do. So, oh, we did get that. Yeah, we're not gonna worry about making it safe yet, because we're not doing any. That's mainly needed when we get into mods and shit. We don't want anything accessing outside of the game folder. Let's see, build versioning. Well, we do have. We have it. We just don't have the script to automate it. Yeah, okay. We're not doing that yet. Or that, or that. Animation. We need a finite state machine. I'm thinking about using a tree structure. Basically the same idea as behavior trees. Because I think we could do that, and we could define those in Lua, and I think it would be a lot cleaner than that graph thing you have in Godot, where you got to draw the nodes and connect them with lines and all this stupid bullshit. Like, nah, we're just gonna have some code in a tree like this in Lua, and that's gonna generate a table in C, just a flat array, just like we do for bones. And we're gonna do that for animation states, and behaviors, or AI. And yeah, we can. Yeah, we also do that for models, like you know, just for editing purposes, to keep track of what belongs to what. Yeah, it's a good system. Just flat arrays. Alright, anyway, let's just do some testing. No, let's just check our README first. Haven't done that yet. We got to do more collision work in the future, and spring arms, and we got to finish the inventory UI. But yeah, that's all later. We're coming up on behavior trees pretty soon. Nav mesh a little further off. Yeah, it's definitely, we're not going to get all the engine development done before we start the content. We're just going to keep going with it. Turn-based is coming up pretty soon. I want to spend some time on that now that I've sorted out a bunch of this other related stuff. And we get the Lua stuff all working pretty much. Yeah. And we do have to redesign that whole thing, but yeah, I think that's no big deal. UI system escape handling. Pause it. Yeah, I think that's all okay. We'll get to that stuff later. I think that's okay. That's down the road. We don't need it now. We're gonna want to get to this stuff in the next phase. I would sort of like to tag these for, you know, the things I want to do next. Maybe we'll just move them up to the top of each section. I don't know. Here, let's just put some of this stuff up there. Let's see, settings. Yeah, it's definitely kind of a work in progress. But we will put it up top because it's semi-done. Scripting console is semi-done. Time skip, we can, well, yeah, we'll leave it there for now. Yeah. Oh, we do have tabs. And we'll just put that down at the bottom. Okay. Those are all in order, and that's pretty much done. We've kind of done that. Let's just put that last little bit of a cleanup step. Shaders, we don't really have to do anything about that. It's not urgent. A couple months down the line. Probably not gonna do that, but I don't know. What else? Yeah, and that's definitely all content. All right, so let's just do a little play test. So we're loading a skeleton now, right off the bat. get that work, I had to go and re-export its animations. So there it is. It has a name. Nilly the Skelly. Get it? See, we can turn our character into a Skelly. Yeah, we want to do that in the background at some point. We need multi-threading. Since we're doing this all in C, we don't have to worry about. I don't think we have to worry too much about Lua bullshit like script multi-threading. Those teeth. Let's see. Can we make them brown? Make them all like nasty looking, and then the bones should be. The lighting in here is wrong. There we go. And let's see, does our skeleton have eyes? Yeah, it does. Yeah, you can see them here too. Yep. We're gonna want them to be red or something. But we're not. Well, let's see. Can we make them red here? That doesn't seem to have any effect. Doesn't really. Oh, I think it's tinting the whites of the eyes, but you can't really see them too well. I don't know. It's definitely not right. Oh, okay, let's go. Anyway, I did fix the feet, by the way. You know what the reason it was screwed up is because the feet were and the kneecaps were actually in the right place, but when I switched the legs to the opposite side to get the mirroring consistent, I forgot to re-parent it and do the automatic bone weights. So oh, also we might want to do some weight painting so the hips don't actually flex like that. I don't think they do, right? No, it's just like a solid piece, right? So, but that's down the road. After we get the kinks worked out. But yeah, I just brought in some extra animations that were missing. I just imported them. I copied them over from that model and re-exported the animations and I fixed up the bone weights basically so that they're on the right side of the body. And yeah, no problems with the mirroring, I don't think. What about the skull? How's that look in the game? And the rib cage, remember how we had some issues with that? See, I think that looks... Where's the other one? Let's get a closer look here. Can you see that the rib cage is a little fucky? Yeah, you can kind of see it if you look closely. Oh, something's really fucked up over there, right? Yeah, and it is on our character model too. See that right in there? That's some kind of a glitch, some kind of baking glitch. But I'm not gonna worry about it now. Because we're definitely gonna have one more do-over pass on this. Before we get to that, I want to experiment with things like we're going to add a proportions tab or sliders down here, so you can like change the hip spacing and shit like that, and make the bones thicker. It'll be interesting to see if we can do like proper male and female skeletons just by fiddling with the proportions and shit, and even the brow ridge. But yeah, we could do that in theory. you got weapons, you press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We probably should have some kind of, let's just put an interface, like a button guide up at the top. I'll just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and list them. And let's see, can you shoot? Can you shoot? Oh, you gotta aim right with her head. And you gotta be within a certain distance, which is too far, or too close currently. Alright. Oh shit, it crashed. Well, that's not good. So we should be running in test debug mode. Can't remember, did I shoot the skeleton? Let me check on just check on my stream. Which one did I shoot there? No, that was the pink dress. Purple dress. Alright, so where's the gun? Let's shoot the skeleton. It's dead. Okay, where'd it crash? Draw NPCs. Set texture tiling. Oh. So that basically means one of these things is null. And why would that happen? Like when they die, they just, well, they're gonna respawn, I guess. But I don't see anything about respawning here. Maybe I just forgot to put a message for that, but let's see. Is everything working over here? Let me check the stream. Is everything working over here? Let me check the stream. Yep, alright, it's fine. Just a quiet Thursday. Yeah, so unfortunately this debug trace doesn't tell me what changed. But we can do this. Let's see. So we gotta shoot an NPC. There we go. So it had no model, huh? Hmm. So what happens when an NPC dies? Somewhere here, maybe. So that's when they respawn. Wait, did I need to search everything, not just this file? All right, so here's where they die. And it just sets an animation and marks them as dead and puts them up half a meter just to make sure you can still see them usually, because it's retarded. we don't have rag dolls or anything yet. Oh, looks like spam. All right. So doesn't that doesn't change anything there. That doesn't delete the model. So what the fuck does? This maybe? No, that's if it's not dead. Okay, here's what happens if you kill an NPC. You gain experience. That's it. Anything else like that? Whoops. That's when you die. Let's just set up. That's reviving. Let's just put in some printf statements though. We're just gonna put plenty of printf statements. Okay, what's that? Where was that? Real time 434. Target. Okay. Now I assume we can also use a sword or whatever, knife to kill him. So let's just. Oh yeah. It's not that. It's not doing the bug. Dag it. Come on. It's not working. His health is already negative, but it doesn't have the right animation or something. Where are the other ones? There's one. And it's not triggering the bug. Let's try shooting. There we go. Okay, that's weird. So it's doing that whole reviving thing. Did one of them just get to... One of them got almost above 0, but not quite. But that might be the case. So what happens when they respawn? That's what I suspect is the problem. Where was that? Over here? Where's that? Where's that whole respawning thing? Let's just do a search. What is NPC in it? So it just increases their health. If it's above 0, it does that. Oh, you know what else we got to do in this case is give them full health. Or wait, does that do it though? Let's see. No, it does give them. It does increase their health. So I don't want that. I want oh, and that's actually yeah, so that probably was, it's almost certainly something here. So what is this doing? It's just updating variables. That's fine. Is it doing anything to the model? No. But it's changing their inventory. That could be a problem. So we could say something like if So if they don't have any inventory yet, or if they yeah, only create inventory the first time, that might help. Oh right. Hey, you're kinda lurking in the chat. Cool. Thanks for hanging out. Let's see. What am I doing wrong here? Um, oh, we're not actually keeping track of that. That's not actually an NPC variable. Um, so I guess we got to look at the first inventory item. And what would that be? We might not even do that in C because it's yeah, we probably won't do inventory items in C. We'll move that stuff over to Lua. Let's see. So where's items? Inventory item. Ah, right. So it's gonna have it's got to be a pointer. So we're gonna say if it doesn't have anything, yeah. If that first item is empty, we'll just assume it hasn't been done yet. Oh, that item. Okay. So now we gotta go on NPC. Oh, come on, it's not quite dead. There we go. And it's gonna revive and boom, there we go. Revived NPC. Health equals 56. And now it has no model. Hmm. Oh, that's the problem right there. Yeah. So that just zeroes out everything, including the model. Yep, that'll do it. So I guess that isn't the problem. All right, so we do that. We do that stuff. So we gotta actually load the model. So I think we got some code for that in here somewhere. Yeah, here. And this loads the animation also. And we got this stuff. Okay, let's just copy paste that for now. Where was it? Here. Bet that'll do it. And we will use the gun because it does less damage currently. So they'll respawn quicker. Oh, and it still happened again. But looks like a different problem now. This is the problem. Oh, right, because this expects something to be. Let's just force it to be that model for now. So we're gonna break that up into multiple, separate functions later. Look, I don't care about this code too much because we're not just gonna have NPCs respawn like that in the real game. Alright, let's get the gun and start blasting away. And oh, we got a new error. More Lewis stuff, huh? Does this assume? Maybe this also assumes we've got a Lua character on the stack. Yeah, oh yeah, it does. All right, let's where's that code I just copied? All right, here, let's just copy that comment, restore that, and put that back. Okay, and then so then we got to push the let's see, where is that? Up here, I think. Well, let's see, where else do we call this from? I think in yeah, here. So for that we've got a that's updating NPC parameters. Then we do this, but don't we have a... Am I just barking up the wrong tree here? Load NPC model. We do that. Oh, okay. So yeah, this does not. This just pushes the NPC ID, gets its face texture. That's the only bit of Lua in here, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. So that should just work. But this will not work. So let's comment that out. But there's still something wrong. The other thing we could do here is just let's see. we could simply reset the health. So maybe we'll do that instead of all this. Let's just do something like that. And oh, and we got to make it not dead also. Yeah, this is probably the simplest possible solution. Alright, I think it's okay. Okay, it's supposedly supposed to be dead. There, and it's alive again. Supposedly dead and alive again. The health bar is not updating. I guess we got to do that manually. Let's see, how do we do that? It's probably in something like NPC change health. We gotta call NPC update health bar or something like that. Wouldn't be in here though. Change health. There. Oh yeah, we gotta just change health, huh? Where is it? Here. And that just sets it's not a delta, this is the full value to use. Okay, so change health, and it's gonna be what about max health? I guess that doesn't matter. We'll just set it to max health. So it's going to be change health, NPC max health, and true. Health max and true. And not dead. Dead, and it's back. Except its health bar did not. Oh, there it goes. Why did it take so long? Something's a little bit out of sync there. But I don't think we're gonna try to fix that this phase. I don't care if it's janky as fuck. just don't want it crashing every time you kill an NPC. And currently, the harder you kill them, the longer they stay dead. Hey, where'd she go? There. She's stuck in the statue. Oh, the skeleton's back. Nellie's back. Sometime in the next couple months, I gotta get blood into this. That would be nice to have. She's just stuck in the statue. That's some kind of... Is that a shadow glitch? Or just a texture glitch? I don't know. Lighting does affect it, but it seems like more of a texture issue. But hey, whatever. It would be nice to have a flashlight in this game. Oh, there's this thing. Just start over. Let's see if that works. Oh, it starts you over in the same place. You can load game, maybe? I don't know if that'll work. Things seem to have changed. Also, oh yeah, I fixed that. Okay. So let's just say, let's, see if that's okay. I just want to turn off that set animation spam. And what else? What else is there? Well, we'll see. Guess we gotta test again. That distance. Okay, so I want, let's see, we want some hair options, and I want to do not bar UI or whatever. So how do we do that? Let's see, where do we do what player weapon switching? NPC switch weapon. Right there. Um, so I guess we just look at weapon templates, yeah. That's here, and we just need a name. Okay. And we don't really have a count. We just go until we hit an empty one, then we stop. Then we stop. So where is it again? I was just looking at it. There. Okay, so if it has a null name, then we can stop. All right, so where are we gonna draw this? I guess we'll just put it here for now. Let's just close a bunch of shit. And we'll put this down here somewhere. Where's the, yeah, UI stuff. Health bars, current weapon, clock time. All right. let's see. We gotta put the, gotta have a number also. So let's see. Text format. And like that. And oh, whoops. Oh yeah, right. We gotta stop the loop if it doesn't have a name. Where is it? Hmm. What is the malfunction here? We got a string X and a Y. Oh, we do need to space those out. Then we might. I don't think that's it though. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. That's weird. Oh, sorry. I'm just retarded. We gotta do if there's not a name, we break. Because the first one always has a name, so you never see anything. There we go. Now I just want to put some little boxes around those two. Do we have a... Maybe we want to use the GUI button function to draw those, right? Nah, maybe not. Because that's just gonna... it'd be kind of a waste of... you know what I mean, right? Let's see, so we're gonna do, let's put this first, and we're gonna do, how do we draw a rectangle? A simple rectangle. Okay. I suppose we ought to have, yeah, oh, let's look at this one. Border, oh yeah, let's use some of let's use this stuff here. Oh, what is bounds? That's just a rectangle. Rectangle, right? Yeah. So, rectangle bounds equals size times 0.5 and maybe 0.25 or I think that might work. Except for that last one. All right, but that's that border is a little too thick. Let's try the button border size, and we got to fiddle with these numbers a little. So let's just say y and y plus text size and text size times times 2 or 1.5 maybe, I don't know. Let's use the button. Nope, still not right. Oh, you know what it is? They're all too tall. Alright, so it's now this should be a position, right? Not a width and height, right? Yeah, maybe it is a width and height. Now I forget. Let's just look at this. Oh yeah, it is a width and height. No wonder I'm fucking up. So it's gonna be, let's see, with the width 1.5 and the height text size. Oh, and that should be 1.5 text size times 1.5. All right, try that. Okay, that's better. All right, so we gotta fill with the margins though. Also, let's check full screen. Yeah, still kind of a thick border, but that's okay. So let's go a little bit. Let's move everything a little bit to the left and add like a 0.25 to the top and bottom. So minus text size times 0.25 and text size times 1.5. Make it square. There, that'll do. So one is unarmed, so that just switches your weapons. Alright. I'm happy with that. And let's see, this thing down here, Let's look at the menu. What was it? UI menu. Yeah. So X2 is, let's make that a little smaller. And then, let's see. So we gotta save our Y value, and then we just, then we can just do Y equals Y temp and X equals plus equals X size times 10 maybe. Or how about whatever. It's probably fine. Why is that off by 1? Bite. There we go. So what's all this stuff? Oh, we're doing a plus equals right there, right in there. So we got to do a minus line size. Okay, that should work. Yeah, there we go. Except that's now one to 5, like that. Let's put this stuff up here. And maybe we'll put that here and everything else over to the right. And then we got to do this here. Oh, and actually that you don't hold RMB, right? You don't hold the right button to feed anymore. You just go to bite mode like this. Right? No, maybe, no. It actually, gotta do that. I think. Oh, I forget. Let's just try it. Oh yeah, no, that... Okay, yeah, that's right. You just gotta go into vampire bug mode. So, yeah, that's not true anymore. Alright, then we'll just put some of this stuff over here. And we gotta space that out a little bit more, and otherwise pretty good. Let's see, that's gotta be 8, I think. And let's just do this. And we'll put this back down below F11, F12. We're gonna move some of that stuff over to settings, like VSync belongs there. We'll just for now. We do here. Hotbar. Yeah. All right. So how are we doing on our agenda? We got that. I would like to get the hair options in there. Yeah, it'd be really nice to have bald skeletons. So we'll do that when I get back. I gotta take a break. Hopefully not too long. All right, I'm back. Let's see. Let's just run it again. That's kind of a weird intro screen, huh? Might be kind of cool to have it start out with in the biting pose. Trying to make some tea, but takes forever for water to boil. Let's see what we got. That's actually clickable, right? Yep. We got Tech Demo R4 coming out very soon. Just a second. Oh, let's put the change log. Yeah, we gotta update that. Character screen is not so basic anymore. We've got lights, water shader, depth fog, switchable weapons, playable skeleton character. All right, let's try to set that biting pose. So that'd be up here somewhere after this stuff. And then how do we set the animation pose? Set like that. Oh yeah. Set animation by name. Let's just take a guess. Actually, it would be up. We just say up here. NPC set animation by name. Game.player, just copy paste. That's a T pose. Maybe it's like that. Wait, if I didn't have that, would it be T pose? Yeah. Oh, I know. We gotta update the animations, don't we? It's not happening when we're on the title screen. So how do we do that? Somewhere in here. Let's say if game.is title screen then we're just gonna, instead of doing the whole player update, we're just gonna do a little, just a little part of it. Let's see, where do we update the animations and shit? I don't think it's even in there. I think it's in update NPCs or something. There. So scene update NPCs, where is it? There. Update animation. There we go. I guess we do update the player. Oh, no, that's for NPCs only. But this is what we do for the player also. So let's just do that up here. Player, and it is delta, right? Yep. Okay, I think that'll do it. Yeah. No, that animation kind of sucks. Yeah, it's too fast, and yeah, it could use a lot of work. And let's see. Yeah, you can see her fangs when the light moves around. I don't know, good enough? Is that good enough for now? I don't know. It'd also be cool to make it be the skeleton. And we could do that. Let's give it a try. Yeah, I bet that'll look cooler. Oh, it doesn't want to. What's the problem? Yeah, we need to make a dedicated NPC for the player. Anyway, so let's just take Nelly here and wait, am I missing something? No, that's okay. We just gotta renumber them. Okay, so we're gonna put that down there, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. And what are the chances this will work? Hell yeah. We just need to get rid of the hair. Well, that's fucked up. And that's fucked up too. Maybe we can fix that too. Looking at my replay. Let's see, rotation. She's got to look at the camera. Let's say, off center a few degrees, maybe 15. Everything's all white there. Yeah, that's good. So how do we just like not have hair? Let's see, that would be in, well, here, let's just save that first. Oh, that's nothing. And what do we got over here? Just that. Okay. Let's see. Is it in, might be in human.c. No, I think it's, oh yeah, here. Wait, so where's the hair come in? Here. All right, so for this quick and dirty test, let's just see, how do we get the skeleton model? Where do we get the model ID from again? Here. Okay. I got a better idea. We'll just, if yeah, this is always the first bone attachment. So we'll just say, so if it doesn't have hair, say test, yeah, it's that simple, right? Except I think it might end up like overwriting that value. Let's just check. All right, so if basically if it's empty, do that. It's not going to be BA, it's going to be something like this. Like that, I think. Yeah, there we go. Bald Skilly. That's fucking awesome. If only we could make his eyes red. Looks like he's... why has he got black on top of his head in that pose? That's messed up. Oh, it's an issue with the lighting. How come she doesn't have hair? They'll tell me none of them do. She has hair. Okay, so we just gotta add that for the other two. Okay, so I think it's supposed to be hair 2. Oh, it's not hairstyle anymore, it's just hair. So yep. Hairstyle. Just search for it. Alright, that should do it. Let's just admire that title screen again. Hell yeah. Also, it'd be nice to turn off the health bar. This is supposed to be an NPC. Yeah, it's kind of odd that that's showing. Oh, it's because the NPC was right behind him. That was just a coincidence, I think. Except that NPC is always in the same place. So let's switch their places. You go here, and you go here. Yeah, problem solved. Okay, that's kind of annoying, but yeah, I guess we'll change it. All right. Let's see. What's going on here? Oh, okay. This is just formatted a little weirdly. That's okay. Let's see. So we'll just have the bald option. Let's see. It would be nice if we could fix switching. It It would be nice if you could switch the hair also. Let's see, is there anything else we might want to fix? Can't really think of anything. Let's take a look at, whoops, the change log. Let's see. Playable skeleton character. Actually, file complete and playable. Let's see. Well, what else? A lot of the stuff is just behind the scenes scripting and shit. Oh, I'm getting tired. Oh, I gotta go get my tea. After I see what the hell my sister wants. Um, all right, so let me get my tea. Be right back. All right. That's so this is gonna be revision. Yeah, I guess revision 2. Yeah, Rev 2. Oh, let's see. I don't know if the color stuff is even worth mentioning, but um, optimization probably is. Oh, say hi to my little friend. Say hi, say hi, say hi, kitty kitty. No, she doesn't want to say hi. Let's see. Let's just check up on the stream. Nobody on YouTube, as usual. It's a good archive, though. Better than Rumble. And because Rumble downsizes everything to 480p, unless you're a premium user. There's a good crowd here, but I'm not real psyched about Rumble. Yeah, they're just making a lot of the same mistakes as a lot of alt platforms. Just doing too much stupid shit to chase after money and making some questionable deals and then just you know too many gimmicks and not fixing real problems and that Rumble Studio thing. It's just I haven't even tried it. It's well, first of all, it's Windows only. I'm using Linux. Um, but who the hell wants to run some non-standard proprietary app when there's perfectly good standard stuff that works better? I just and now they're trying to incentivize streamers to do that, to use it, and I see a lot of people trying it and going like, nope, 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 this sucks. Works for some people, but for gaming, it just degrades the quality too much. It's too hard to get it set up right. Um, just not worth the trouble, especially for the amount of money you're gonna make here. In general. I mean, I'm not even trying to make money here. Although I did monetize today's stream because I'm doing a release and demo release, and I was hoping more people would watch it. Maybe they'll see it later. I don't know, but monetizing it means that Rumble will actually promote it a little bit more because they can make like 3 cents off the ads. And I imagine they're losing money. It probably costs more than that to stream like so many gigabytes of data, and to do all the processing and shit. I can't imagine they're coming out ahead. But whatever, if they got investors who think they're gonna make money, then let them. Let them try. It's definitely, I don't have a lot of other good options, so. So let's see, I'm just looking over my list here. Changes, yeah, that's all. That's boring. That's a lot of this is just finishing stuff I've already listed here as started. So like instead of yeah, loading, like yeah, loading and optimizations. We don't need all that. Let's put the art up here. Let's put that up there with the artwork. All right, and what do we have over here? We do have level loading or transitions. No, we've got that covered here. What else? Yeah, we've got dialogue, we've got this is all related to model loading and shit, depth fog, lighting stuff, UV2s, vampire teeth. I think we got it covered. So it's basically been a lot of behind the scenes stuff and just finishing stuff I've already started last month or even in December. So yeah, that covers it pretty much. Let's see, we've got a name for this. Synthnostate Tech Demo. Alright, so it's we're calling Sanguine Sanguinity the tech demo. Do we have that here? Sort of. would that be? That would be UI title. Yeah. Yep. So where game name, huh? So maybe there ought to be a subtitle or something. So that's going to be set up in here. Then, so we got to edit this to game name, game subtitle. I think, yeah, I think that's, yeah, that should be fine. So we're gonna say, let's see, game subtitle. Oh, and then we've got, let's see, what's that? Oh, and then it's game name, huh? That's for the, oh, that's for the window title. Okay. So then I was thinking we'd do something like, well, here, let's see, we gotta add a margin up here probably. And we gotta do game subtitle like that. Or something like that. I don't like that. So maybe let's tweak the sizes a little. Text size times 3, text size times 1.5 maybe. Same thing here. How does that look? And we do need a little bit more space down here. Let's just try that. Maybe 0.3 and what do we want to call it? Then I suppose we need something like that. And we got to put the subtitle in here. Yeah, here. See how that looks. Got to check the window title too. So it just says Synthnostate. Then real-time mode, vampire sim, tech demo. All right, so maybe we're just gonna put the mode here. Very early days. What about the window title though? So that's supposed to set the window title to oh, that's only if you give a shit. So we got to set that up a different way. So that controls whether it's real time or not. So all right, so then down here we're gonna set so we're gonna say window title equals we're just gonna do this right here. Then we're gonna put the mode in here also. Oh, we're just gonna stick this right in here actually. Game real time, otherwise turn based. There we go. Actually, I'm not going to do that. I don't care about that. Then we don't need this, or this, or this. Okay, that should be better. Yep, so we got our full title here. And let's do that. And then a little more space there. Let's just put a margin there. All right. Oh, and that's going off too far. Let's just move the whole thing over to the left. So let's see. What is this the width of? Let's see, the demo note goes at X and Y. Okay, so we'll just shift that over one. I guess I'd like to have that centered, but can I do that? Let's see, that would be, no, I don't know. Do I really care? We'll go up a little higher and to the left a little bit. Okay, that goes to the left. Oh, same thing here. We're using this one, the first one, okay. Then we got this thing over here. So where's X? Screen width minus. Okay, we just got to make this whole thing a little wider. The width of the menu itself. Oh, except we don't need these buttons to be so wide. That's annoying. Let's just say that's going to be like center lined. That's going to be centered vertically. And the width of this whole thing only has to be like 0.2. Right? Yeah, there we go. Oh, except we don't want it covering up our skeleton though. Okay, never mind. Let's go back to that. But we will make that 1.2, but we just won't line this up with it. Not that, this part here, the heading. try that. X smooth, X heading, and without the margin. Okay, try that. Alright, why? Oh, because we made the height of this too big. Too big, yeah, so it's centered, including down here, because it doesn't compute its height yet. So we just gotta set that to try 0.4. See how that works. Doesn't even matter if it's smaller than the actual height, because it will just overflow down below. Yeah, we could just do this, right? Here's full screen. We shrink it up. That's gonna go off the screen if you get way too. But that's about 4:3, I think. Here, 1024 by 768. Alright, we can kick that over a little bit more. Let's see, where it's at 0.6. Let's put it to 0.5. Except now it's touching that. Oh, of course, that's a bit of a problem also. But don't we have some wrapping code that we use for dialogue? I've got a better idea. Let's just compromise and call it 0.55. How's that? And this could be up above also. And up. Let's say 0.1. And all this could be up too. Up and to the left, right? So that could be 0.1, that could be 0.05. Heading could be up at, no, not that. Where's the frickin' Y value? Oh, this, yeah, this could be up at Y heading. Then this could be like Y heading, whoops, plus text size times 5, let's say. Yeah, that's fine. So if it's yeah, basically it's gonna look like that. It's okay if you really make it a narrow window. I don't care. let's move that NPC where we can't see it. So let's see, that's at X. Let's just move it over to 10. And see, is there anyone else that might be in the way? That's way over, that's way over. Should be fine. Yeah, there we go. If you make the screen really wide, okay, then in that case, let's say -5. Wait, no, that's vertical. How about just change that to a 0? There. Yeah, then you'll never see it. That was weird. Oh yeah, we're the skeleton. They're not. We got our skeleton with a gun. The skeleton, Skelly with a gun. That's not doing much damage. Also got some screwed up animation there. Okay, got her. Unfortunately, that doesn't loop. Okay, got her. All right. So is that good enough? So we got our versions of Synthnostate, Sanguine Sanguinity, Vampire Sim, Tech Demo, Real-Time Mode. That actually works. Well, your mileage might vary. All right, I'd say it's about ready to go. How about the Windows version? All right. Looks a little bluish. I think that's a known issue. New game. That's a little fucked up, but that's okay. Why are they just like lying down instead of idling? But we saw that in the Linux version too, so whatever, I don't care. Let's switch our weapons around. Let's try a shooting one. I was gonna try tweaking the weapon range. So where is that? It might be in here. Or Where's the weapon templates? Here we go. No, there's no range in there yet. So we gotta go. Might be somewhere up here. Let's see. That's it. So let's just say 30. 30 meters. Oh yeah, and this is the Windows version once again. Okay, so we should be able to shoot over to there. No, it's not working though. No, it's not so good. So many matches for 10. Let's search for range and no replace. All right, let's try actually looking at the code. So if you don't have a melee weapon, we assume you're using a ranged weapon. Distance is distance to target. Then we do player attack. Oh, it's probably where we compute the target. Yeah. So I think that's in here, or no, maybe it's in scene. Target NPC. You know, we really should define, let's put a definition instead. Would it be here? Yeah, I guess so. So that'll be a placeholder. Or for the gun. Oh yeah, so I do have a couple things I'd like to fix still. Well, the hair option should be easy. Wait, no, we want to put that in the UI. Yeah. So, let's see. We can close the Lewis stuff. We're not touching that today. So we're gonna need a drop down for this. Yes, we're gonna need another drop down. All right. Well, I gotta take a break. And let's see. Going on 2 o'clock. Oh, let me check on the stream quality here. So I tried using the pass-through option here, and I think it might actually be working. Yeah, so I'm trying to go back and I can't. So yeah, the pass-through must be working. Cool. And that means Rumble won't even bother recording a VOD. So yeah, that's something Rumble does right. They do these beta features that only premium users get to have, and then they make it available for everybody. Like repost and this and a few other things. At least they got some business sense. You don't just give something away for free and then start charging money for it. No, that's something to think about with this demo too. Yeah, you give a demo away for free, tech demo. But at some point when I start adding enough content, we just got to say, okay, we're going to start charging money for this, and maybe we'll move some of those features over to the tech demo as it improves. But the paying users are going to get it. Yeah, once we get into like early access mode or whatever, like paying users could get stuff first. I definitely don't want to go and make a full, a pretty big game and then say, okay, you gotta pay to get this thing that was free, which by the way, a lot of people will still have copies of. So no, you don't want to do that. But yeah, that's a ways off still, because there's basically no real content in this game yet. But yeah, I would like to get to that pretty soon though. Get a little more character art in there, start making a few more levels, and then start adding content. RPG quests, dialogue, characters, more items and shit, magic, sorcery stuff, scenarios, more maps and stuff, maps, levels, whatever. Um, just start building it out. Content as opposed to art, as opposed to mere art, which is a ton of fucking work. um anyway, so we gotta add this hair option, which would be, where was it? Like this, yeah. Anyway, let's just get this stuff checked into Git. Then I'm gonna go take a quick break. Change log, title screen, positioning, tweet. All All right. Whoops. Oh yeah. Okay. That's good. How's Rumble doing? Use the pass-through stream thing on Rumble. That it can't go back. It can't go back 10 minutes, can it? For always live. That's a little annoying for people who want to go back and look at something I said, but well, you can go over to YouTube for that. I think I've got the YouTube link in the description. Yeah, I've got a channel link there. Make sure that works. Yeah, that's fine. Wow, it's quiet in here. Yeah, Squishy and Fused are on. Nobody's watching Squishy either. Couple people maybe. Oh well. Anyway, we got work to do. I got work to do. And you guys out there, you don't exist. There's nobody watching. So we gotta fix this model switching. And then we gotta add the hair option. Let's see. We might want to set up a thing later to control all this through Lua. But that's a long way off. That would just be like a code cleanup thing. But I've definitely learned my lesson from trying to do a UI entirely in a script language. It's just too slow. No matter how much you try to optimize, it's just too slow. So you got to have all the inner loop, every frame constant update stuff. That's all got to be done in C. You can grab a few variables from Lua, I suppose, but you don't want to run the whole thing. You don't want to run the whole GUI in a script language, or any kind of a slow language for that matter. Of course, you wouldn't be running a 3D game in anything but C or similar maximum performance languages. No, we don't want to do a test. We want to do what did I say? Switching. We got to fix the switching. Well, we want to do a debug. So we're gonna go in here. I'm gonna try going to God mode and switching one of the NPCs to a skeleton. I'm gonna go and switch her back to a chick. And that's where we run into trouble. Something about the weapon, huh? What the fuck? Seems to be a problem in the GUI, actually. Which is actually kind of good news to me. So changing the bone attachment. Oh yeah, that makes sense. So we do a load NPC model. Let's go take a look at that. 397. So everything's fine until we get down to here. And does this do like a Oh, you know what's probably happening? We've actually got to do some resetting. Right? No. This gets reset back to -1. Um, wait, no, but what about number of bone attachments? That is not being reset. So let's just reset it. That might be the problem. Let's see if there's an overflow. So, yeah, I guess that was it. Alright, cool. The other thing we gotta fix is this defaults to, female 3. So, where is this initialized? Somewhere in here, maybe? Okay, we gotta study this code a bit. So here's our drop down. Oops, oh, I've already got a bookmark. Okay. Yeah. Get a little more caffeine. So, where's the frickin' variable? Where's the frickin' drop down box right there? So that's the variable right there. So let's just go and search for it. 0, it gets initialized to 0. And we're not even checking to see what it is. Yeah, okay, so we got to do all this stuff. All right, so let's move this, move these up here. Say test, red flag it, and let's just do another search. Get back down here. We'll bookmark that. Do we want these to be? We don't want them in the air loop because we need to be able to. Well, we always want them to. This can stay here, but these need to be module globals. So these go up here. Let's see, can we do? Let's just make sure it actually compiles like this. Make test. Okay. And we'll make sure it runs while we're at it. Alright, and then these don't do anything because they don't exist. Alright, now we got to initialize them. So, we'll have to do the same thing with the hair anyway. So let's say initialize drop downs to current values. Bookmark. So let's see, model names, model labels. Where's that stuff? There's model labels. What about model names? Where's that again? Right there. And so we gotta get the values from here. But we're not setting them, we're getting them. Like we do over here somewhere. Yeah, right, like that. Yeah, I think this could be a little simpler. Okay, but we gotta put our NPC. We gotta get our NPC in there first. So how do we? Let's see. This is called by a script, so we got to do something a little different. Anyway, start out with something like this, and whoops, and gonna go up. No, go up to here. Just drop that in for starters. We're just gonna say what'll it be we'll just say ID, I guess. And then we got to go and loop over it. Well, let's see. Can we do that? We're gonna have to do the same thing with hair also. And then we're gonna have to do something like let's see, do we have like an array length thing here? Yeah. And we're looking at the names, not the labels. Sort of like file names, basically. Let's get rid of some bookmarks. We need one up here for the init. So we need an array length for model names. So we're just gonna do if whoops, if ID no text is equal to model names I God damn it, fat fingers. Then we got to do what do you call it? It's not an obvious thing at all. It's, yeah, it's this and that. So we're gonna have to, we want to initialize both of those to 0, or actually say that equals that, and we'll put that down below, and so we're going to say it's equal to 0, and then if we get a match, it's equal to I, and then we set the previous one. Then we got to do the same thing for hair. Once we get everything set up. Oh, and we got a break too. Well, we don't have to, but that way we get out early, you know. And this is a good candidate for moving to Lua. This whole fucking drop down thing. If we stick with this Ray GUI thing, if I find a better one that has a neater, like a cleaner C drop down thing, then maybe we'll just use that. But I don't think there aren't really that many pure C GUIs, you know. They're mostly C++ or scripting languages, JavaScript, whatever. And most of them suck ass. So for all of Ray GUI's faults, it could be worse. At least it's written in plain C. All right, so I just want to see. We just want to make sure that this so we're a skeleton. So when we go to character creation, it should say, well, see. Oh, we got to do something. We got to put this. We got to get this on the stack. So what do we do down here? No, not there. Let's just search for script. There's probably somewhere in here that I do this already. Get character config. Okay. Like that. So we got to do this. Then we got to get all that stuff, and then we just pop it. Is it like that or the other way? Well, that's what we have there. So then let's put this up here too. So we always reset it to 0, but then we try to do this. We try to figure out which one it is currently. Didn't work. Well, god damn it. Oh, we can turn that off too. What was that in, like, NPC maybe? Or scene. Loaded animations. I just don't want all that. Don't want all that, and I don't really want that either. Too much noise. Now what's going on over here? We're scanning through model names, and that should work. When in doubt, put in a print statement. All right, we didn't even get that far. NPC, where's NPC ID? Well, we do have an NPC, so that should be all right. So, Also, I think that actually should be up here. Oh, whoops. F. So we got the character config, but no X props, huh? Well, this says we have them. Well, what am I doing that's retarded? Looking for, so we've got character config materials. Oh, we don't want the character config. We want the NPC. Yeah. So how How's that done? Let's see, load NPC has its own way of doing it. Let's see, what do we have under Lua? We've got Lua. Might be in here. Is there like a get NPC or something? Maybe we just gotta add that. We've got create NPC, update NPC parameters. Maybe we've got to add get NPC parameters. Let's just copy the other thing, which would be the character config. Yeah, very similar to this, which we should move that over to here. And we will just copy that. That should really be an NPC character config. Get NPC parameters. And we're just going to return the whole NPC thing. We can just do that even. Just a simple C interface function. So we just got to go over here and use that instead. Okay, let's try that. Skeleton 1, all right. Change it to female 3. Go back. That's correct. Skeleton 1. Skeleton 1. All right, we did it. Now we got to do it for hair. Let's get rid of this crap. And stage this and get. Let's actually do this too. Actually, while we're at it, let's call that NPC character config. Wait a second. Let's find all occurrences of it first of all. Then do that. So copy that. Then we just go over here. And test it once more. All right, cool. What do we call this? All right, now we got to do hair switching, which is just going to be a lot of redundancy. So we're gonna copy this whole thing, change that to 001, and we're gonna call this blank, and hair 1, hair 2, hair 3, and hair 4. That's all we have for now. And then we're just gonna say bald, and then just do that. And that's gonna be hair. All right, and most of these won't work, but we'll try to do them anyway. Now let's just search for anything else like this. Copy that. So that's going to be 001. We should rename these, but later. Let's see. Then we're going to do the same thing for the hair. Oh, 01, 001, 001. And then we're going to switch that to hair names. Hair there. All right. That should do it for that. And then keep going. Where's that variable defined though? Oh yeah, up at the top. What else we got here? Edit mode. Okay, now this is one of the really retarded things. So if either of them are opened up in edit mode, then we gotta lock the GUI so only those can be, so you can only interact with those things, which have to be drawn last also. And then that would be down here. So we do that. And then we will just leave that alone for now. And then we just gotta copy this whole thing. Oh, here, let's put all that up there. Let's just do that. And what else? Okay, now we gotta copy the whole thing. Oh, and this we gotta do something for that too. Oh yeah, we gotta make it we gotta do something. We gotta do this whole thing here. So here, drop down. Here, Y drop down. We'll say 001. This is pretty fucking horrible, guys. This is not pretty, not one bit. So this is going to be air labels, and then we can actually made a macro for this. We just say array length of hair labels. Don't need that. Then we just got to change these. We got to change all these to 001. We can just do a replace, right? Okay, not whole words, just plain text. 9 replacements. Yeah, that adds up. Don't touch that. Yep, okay. So, let's see, where would that be? We're not actually gonna, I guess we're not actually gonna do that yet. But the path names are gonna be something like that. And then I don't know how we're gonna do this. Well, I suppose we can do that, yeah. But we don't want to do that. And we don't need to do that. All right, that should work. Oops. Check it compiles. Bald. 1, 2. We got a Stacy skeleton. That doesn't actually work yet. And yeah, we're not going to get that done in this demo. Let's see. We can definitely do the switching thing. As a kludge. So how do we do it in here? Here we go. We'll just put a big kludge here. Test kludge, whatever. we're just gonna say, so if that's true, then we'll use game.here, otherwise that, and that's supposed to be a question mark. That should work. Whoops. Model. Oh, I can't use, oh, I can use, model star. Typecast it, right? No? Do I have to put model star in front of both of these? Oh, okay, whatever. We'll just do it this way then. Maybe that'll show me what I'm doing wrong. Oh, actually, never mind. Never mind, I know. We need an ampersand. That was not a pointer. It was just a model structure. All right, so we can switch. We can. That didn't do anything though. Why is it saying skeleton? Model selection. Where is it? Selected model. Okay, so we say select here. Oh shit. We got some model stuff in here. That's the problem. Part of the problem. There, that's not very helpful. All right, let's just replace model with here. 12 replacements. Yeah, that looks legit. Oh, yeah, active is right. Yep. That would be the, if it's 0, we get, it should be ball. If it's 0, we get that long hair. If it's anything else for now. But that doesn't seem, oh wait, that works. Sort of. But what if I want to go back to bald? That's not working. Selected here, 0. All right, come on. Oh, let's change that inventory thing to coming soon. well. Same thing here. I'll just say coming soon. Oh, here's the problem. It doesn't have to exist. God damn fucking formatting. Okay, so that works. Bald. Any other hair. Bald. Switch to wait. Where's oh shit. We're using some of the wrong coordinates or something. Y drop down 0, 0, 1. Skeleton one. Look, where's my choice? Oh shit. See the problem is it's drawing that one on top of that one. So if I click here, yeah, that chooses female 3 even though it says bald. And then it opens up that one. Alright, so that's something, that's fucking shitty. How do we control that? I guess we've just got to draw them in reverse order. What about this thing? Let's just put this note up here. Okay, so we're gonna put the first one last. Let's see if that fixes it. So, no, that's not. Skeleton one. What the fuck? So the hair is still alright, right? Oh yeah, actually I guess that is right. So if we switch to that one, then what the fuck? So the only problem there is so we switch the hair and do that. Yeah, that works fine. But if we go can do that. No, that's okay, but if we do that, it opens up the hair one because that bit of code actually runs first. Because we're drawing that before that. So it actually thinks, oh, you clicked here, so we're going to open that one up and close that one. And we're going to select that, and we're going to select that one, which will close that, and then open up this drop down. So that's annoying, but it does work. So I think we're just going to leave it alone. So there, you can switch to a chick with long hair. Then you can be, if you really want to be a bald chick, you can be a bald chick. And if you want to be a bald skeleton, you can also change your name. You can be like Nelly the Skelly. And be a Skelly. And hey, what's with the hair? I want it to be bald. Okay, Razio will appreciate this. And hopefully in the next demo, you'll be able to be a normal dude with, you know, a living dude or a vampire with skin. And we'll also try to get the cape and the crown and shit in there for Dita, so he can be a master lich. And we also want to go in the direction of having it be kind of like one of these simulation type games where you can, I don't want to say a total simulation, but one of these ones where you can adjust all the parameters of the game. Anything that can be variable should be variable. So all the vampire rules basically, and anything else that affects gameplay, we'll just put in variables or settings for all that stuff. So yeah, we got this. Should I even mention that in the changelog or anything? Nah, people can figure it out if they want to. This is very janky, and we don't have a spring arm to actually keep the camera inside the tunnel, so you can see outside of it all the time. It's pretty shitty. And you can't go down there yet. All we have is level switching at this point. And yeah, you know, since we're using a custom engine, we got a ways to go, but it's actually going a lot better than it did trying to figure out how to make Godot fucking work in a decent way, you know. This engine can't do as much, but what it does do, at least it does sort of right. That's just a ladder hanging out there and the see-through wall. That blue is a side effect of the whatchamacallit, the depth fog. Yeah, so that's just a temporary glitch. We're gonna have to get a better fog algorithm than that. Anyway, let's see. Are we done with all our fixes? Hair option. Wait, yeah, we fixed that. We got our hair option. So I just gotta make a build. So let's see. I gotta stop now. What's it been, about 4 hours, I guess. So yeah, I gotta stop now, and might as well stop now. Yeah, it's a good time to stop. So let's see, hair switching. CC hair selector drop down. Okay. And is that it? Is that everything? Pump versions. Just a little reminder. Let's just look over the README real quick. Let's see, under coding, the multi-streaming utility, I want to do some work on that. I don't know. Don't really care about overlays. Let's see. Probably not gonna do that either. Not unless they fix the AI shit that they broke in the new build. Or unless I go back to the... I could use the older one. I don't know. Low priority though. Let's see. So that's all good. Yeah, so we're gonna work on animations, behavior trees. Do I have this on my short list or anything? We gotta do some collisions, more collisions, inventory. Turn-based. Anything on the UI? No, I'm pretty happy with the UI. Just UI stuff. More UIs. And let's see, did we finish anything here today? Not really. That, yeah, okay. Yeah, that's all. That's good. All right, so that's it for today. Let's see who was in here today. Just Erkanda. So thanks, Erkanda, for lurking. I appreciate it, man. I know it's just, no, you're busy, but that's okay. That's perfectly fine. Don't, nobody should ever feel bad for just lurking. You know, it's the reason I do this is just so people get to know about it. and just to spread the word to a few people who might be interested in it, so that when I do eventually put it up for sale on Steam, um, you know, it I won't be just shouting into the void. There'll be some fans out there, or at least, yeah, whatever. People who think it's cool. So, yeah. Later, I think sometime later today, I did update my change log. I said it's gonna be done today. I intend to stick to that. So yeah. Tonight it should be, if you want to check it out tonight, it should be there. All right, that's it. Peace out.